We may struggle to get to 20 this weekend.
News Channel 9's Ashley Cafaro says right now is probably the best time to make sure your furnace won't fail you.
That's the sound you want to hear when firing up your furnace.
The first time you kick your furnace on is generally the time you're going to have issues for the most part.
That's why it's crucial to prepare your system now before the weather takes a turn.
Checking the furnace filter, checking the thermostat batteries, making sure they're all set. You know, walking downstairs, making sure that, the venting is hanging.
It's also important to prevent your pipes or HVAC system from freezing before temperatures fall.
They could put insulation around the pipes, or they can build like a little fence around them to protect it from the snow and whatnot as well.
If you have a furnace at home and are unsure if it's working the way it should be, there are a few simple ways to make sure it's working properly. Just by placing your hand in front of the vent to see if hot air is coming out is one way to know it's operating as intended.
For the older style systems, it's going to be a little bit warmer than the new style. The higher efficiencies generally run longer and at a lower temperature than the old style.
And if you think something isn't working right,
a couple things that you can notice or listen for is, is the blower making a loud rattling noise? Is it running longer than it should be?
and if your furnace stops working,
they should check their thermostat, make sure their thermostat's calling for heat, walk downstairs, see if there's any issues with the furnace. Is it operating? Is it trying to start? And then if they can't, solve the problem like that, then they should, give us a call.
Making sure you stay warm this winter. In Liverpool, Ashley Cafaro, News Channel 9.